In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer lifecycle automation in Omnisend. By the end, you'll have a smart, always-on workflow that reacts when a customer moves into a key lifecycle stage, like at risk or loyalists, so you can send the right message at the right time with minimal manual effort. Start by opening your browser and searching for Omnisend. Click the first result to reach the official site. Sign in to your account using your usual credentials. If you use multiple stores or workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding, because your audience and automations are specific to each account. From the main dashboard, go to Audience, then choose Customer Breakdown. This view groups your contacts into lifecycle stages based on their engagement and purchase history, which makes targeting effortless. Select the stage you want to work with, for example, at risk, if you want to win customers back, or loyalists, if you want to reward high-value buyers. Click View Contacts to verify who's included. Then click Save Segment, give it a clear name so your team recognizes it later, and save. Next, navigate to the Automation tab. Click Create Workflow and choose Create from Scratch so you can tailor every step. For your trigger, select Contact enters a segment. This ensures the workflow starts the moment someone moves into that lifecycle stage. From the segment picker, choose the lifecycle segment you just saved. Because it's a dynamic segment, people will automatically flow in and out as their behavior changes, keeping your automation accurate over time. Now build the journey. Drag email, SMS, or web push onto the canvas to create a multi-channel sequence. Lead with an email that speaks directly to the stage, for instance, a helpful reminder for at-risk contacts or an exclusive perk for loyalists. Add SMS for time-sensitive nudges if your contacts are opted in, and web push for quick, lightweight reminders. Insert time delays to space messages naturally, such as a day or two between touches. Use conditional splits to personalize the path based on behavior, like whether they opened the email, clicked through, or made a purchase. So engaged customers get fewer nudges while others receive a stronger incentive. When everything looks good, click Activate Workflow. Before you wrap up, preview each message, confirm compliance for SMS and opt-ins, and set sending windows that match your audience's time zones. After activation, monitor performance and refine subject lines, timing, and offers. That's it. You've built a customer lifecycle automation in Omnisend that runs continuously and adapts as your customers evolve.